Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Discord search for updates. Enter network in the search box, open, view network connections. You will right-click on your network adapter to choose Properties. In the line Internet Protocol version 4, click on Properties. You will check the box, use the following DNS server addresses, then enter a public address. You can apply the changes and close the windows. After that, right-click on the Discord shortcut, select Properties. You will go to the tab Compatibility. Here, check the box, run this program in Compatibility Mode 4, and choose one of the options. When you do, check the box, run this program as an administrator, and click Apply and OK. You can open Discord to validate that the error has been fixed. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.